Alright, so number 6. When I found the rate of change of the function below, I came up with $1 per kilogram because I counted the slope by going up 1 and over 1. However, my teacher said for me to look over my work. So let's look at this graph. Where is my mistake? Okay, so if you go up 1, he thinks it's 1, but if you really look, if you go up 1 and then 2, it says that it's 100. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up 2 so I know what I'm doing. So I'm going to go up 2, and that's 100. Then I have to go to the side. I'm going to go to the side 2 because I see this is 5. So I'm going to go over 2 and see that that is 5, right? Because you have to get from one point to another point. I'm using the blue as my point. So 100 divided by 5 is 20. And it's actually price per kilogram. So his mistake is that the slope is actually equal to $20 per kilogram. Okay. What is the initial value of the function? Okay, initial value is another word for y-intercept. Well, if you look at the graph, the y-intercept is 0. That's where it crosses the y-axis. Alright, what type of slope is represented by the graph? Okay, so there's 4 kinds of slopes, right? So there's a positive slope, there's a negative slope, there's a 0 slope, there's undefined. Well, that one looks more like this one, which is my positive slope. That means it's going up. The price is going up when the weight increases. How many zeros does the function have? So remember, zeros. Zeros just means x-intercept, right? Well, it intersects right here at the y-axis and the x-axis. So that means it only has 1 0. And usually that's going to be the answer whenever you have a linear equation, a linear function, just a straight line. It's always just going to be 1 0. Alright? So that's it. That's it for the review. Good luck tomorrow.